Earning $7 is definitely not much. But what if you could earn it again and again? And what if it was worldwide? And you get paid totally free via PayPal? All you have to do is just go to... What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can earn $7 again and again with Google Images. This is worldwide. We're talking about free PayPal money. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, so as I said, I'm going to show you here how you can earn super easy $7 again and again in free PayPal money with Google Images. I'm going to share with you everything about this, but first a disclaimer: results are not typical. Use this information at your own risk. If you skip out any part of this video, you might not get any results at all. That is why it is so important to watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information here. Make sure you also subscribe to my other YouTube channel, which is my IM Tips. It is related to internet marketing, make money online, productivity tips, and a lot more. You're going to find a link at the top and in the description below. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real long-term sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at when we finish this video, of course. But for now, let's have a look at how we can earn $7 in free PayPal money again and again with Google Images. Let's go! Okay guys, so first off, let me show you the site here, and it is up-forever.org. Before you jump into any conclusions, I'm going to share with you, as I said, the exact strategy on how we can make money with this. Okay, so make sure you stick till the end once again here. This is a file sharing free cloud storage. You upload your files and you withdraw profits from the various payment methods. Of course, you can convert the profits into products if you prefer to. So it explains us a little bit here. There is actually a referral program, so you can earn even more money, but you can have a look at the details for yourself when you sign up here, okay? So it is totally free to get started with. And you can see here, if you go to the Make Money section, it explains us that this is a site for profit from uploading files. Profit are calculated on each download. It provides some of the other properties for profits. So if I scroll down here, you can see that the tier 1 pays us up to $7 per 1,000 download. Okay, so keep that in mind. But I'm going to show you, as I said, how we can get easily this amount. So you can have a look at the details for yourself here. Okay, I'm not going to go into reading through all the details here. It is really simple. Okay, here is some payment proofs. You can see here that they have different payment methods also. But of course, we are interested in PayPal money, so I think it is pretty obvious. Okay, you can see here PayPal, Payeer, Payoneer, I'm sorry. So they do have tons of other options if you don't want to have PayPal money. And what you're going to do here is you need, of course, to sign up here. It is super easy, straightforward. You create your account, username, password, you retype your password, email, and of course we need also to pick one of the payment methods. Okay, you can see that they have tons of methods, as I said earlier here. You can actually take Bitcoin if you prefer that. So it depends on, okay. I would go for PayPal actually. Of course, you need to have a PayPal account. If you don't have one, it is super easy. You just go to paypal.com and you create your account there. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is go to Google Images. You can just go to Google and type Google Images. And now we are going to focus on motivational quotes. This is very popular. It is very easy to get it viral, so that's why I pick this here today. Now this is very important. Pay attention here. We need to go to settings. We need to go to advanced search and we need to go to the usage rights. So we are not going to get into trouble. We need to pick free to use or share even commercially. This is very important, my friends. Keep that in mind. So you can see here that there is tons of material we can use. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick 10 or 15 or how many as you want actually. It is not so important, but you can have at least 10 in my opinion. So you can open it up in a new tab and you can just save image as, okay, and download it. Now the next thing we need to do here, there you go, it is downloaded. So the next thing we need to do is, of course, we need to come back here and go to the upload files. Okay, look at this. It is important, okay, that you of course don't upload pornographic files for adults. And of course you can see here, try disabling ad block as well if it doesn't work for you. So what you need to do is actually just upload the files here and you're going to get a link. Now that link is where we are going to use and promote to make this happen. So that is why it's so important here. Pay attention at all the details. If you want to, you can actually go and have a look at the frequently asked questions, of course, also here. So I'm not going to bore you here because it is more important to have a look at the strategy. Okay, so you're going to get your link here when you have uploaded your files, and how you're going to do the rest here is, that is why it's so important, as I said, to pay attention, because if you don't promote it, if you don't get traffic, then you're not going to get money with it. Really simple, right? Okay, so basically we are going to take advantage of Instagram here, and what you need to do here is motivational. If I just type this, okay, motivational quotes. This is something that is very popular actually with Instagram here. So I'm just going to type enter, and I'm going to get a lot of different pages here, and you're going to create one of these pages. Okay, now what you need to do is, let's go here, for example. Okay, we have motivational Mondays, for example. So if I just open up one of these, you can see here how it looks, and you're going to create one of these pages first. Okay, you need to of course go ahead and follow people that are related, similar to this. You just type motivational quotes, and they're going to follow you back. Okay, you need to do the hashtags and everything, but we are also going to use another method I'm going to show you here real soon. Now what you need to do here, okay, let's go here for motivational again. I'm sorry, let's go for this, for example. So basically you can see here, this is another profile, for example, be the version of you. But if I go to my profile here, okay, you can see here that I have something called Linktree. So if I open this up in a new tab, I have more than just one link. So basically I'm just going to improvise here a little bit. To be inspired and motivated towards your goals, you need to see these quotes every day first thing in the morning, or something like download your free motivational quote package here. Okay, so instead of having one link, you can actually have 2 or 3 links, because that will increase your potential to make more money. Okay, so you're not going to rely on only one. So you can have the first one, for example, could be 10 morning motivational quotes, 10 evening motivational quotes, and so on there. So use your imagination. Okay, you can even have some affiliate links actually to promote here, but this will give you the chance to actually promote more than just one thing. And you can find this on Linktree. It is very easy, totally free to sign up with and get started with this strategy. Now that you have started and created your page here, your motivational page, you need of course to promote it. Well, you can do it in many ways. You can rely on free traffic also, but another cool thing that you can do is that you can go to Fiverr, for example, and you can just type Instagram shoutout. So look at this, 640k verified Instagram pages, 300k Instagram. So they will actually promote your Instagram page. Okay, if you want to, you can also go to shoutcart.com. It is really similar. There are a lot of Instagram influencers here that are happy to promote your page for, of course, a small fee. Okay, so you can have a look at the details here for yourself, but it will be more than enough to get started with this. I mean, look at this, 860,000 on his Instagram page. So they will send traffic to your page, they will go to the link, and they will download this. Okay, so it is a great opportunity, because I think motivational quotes is something that all the people need and want. It is super easy to get viral with, so this is a great niche to get involved in with this strategy. So there you have it. Now, the only problem with this strategy is that it is not sustainable. This is not how you build a long-term business, and you're not going to get rich with this strategy. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real long-term sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below, as I said in the beginning, that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at as soon as we finished here. If you get some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. I really appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe to both my YouTube channels that you're going to see at the end screen here. Make sure you also check out the other video that I have. It is another Make Money Online video recommendation at the end screen there as well. And I will see you in the next one.